Tonight, it's pizza night. Not just old snacking pizzas, we're making the real deal. One of our house faves is barbecue chicken pizza. That's what we're gonna do tonight. And because cooking is such a creative endeavor, I decided to make a second pizza with the other half of dough. And we're going to do a mushroom and spinach and goat cheese pizza for the second pizza. But first, we need to roll out the dough. I made my own dough. You don't have to do this. This is a lot of work. Everyone knows that making dough is work. So what we're gonna do is roll out the dough into a circle or some fashion of a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's home pizza. It should look really fun. And I'm just gonna transfer this to a piece of parchment paper. Now I'm just going to pinch around the edges of the dough so it makes a little edge but not anything too heavy. It's just going to keep the sauce from sliding off of the pizza, off of the dough. I already slow cooked 2 quite large chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts in barbecue sauce, and today, because I can't make anything the same way twice, I added a little bit of low sugar apricot preserves, and they cooked for a few hours. I took out the remaining juice and I cooked it down. Look at that, it's like a little barbecue glaze. So I'm going to use this as the bottom layer for the pizza. I try so hard not to be a perfectionist. I want to get it all the way out there. So every bite is going to taste as good as the next one. And that looks pretty even. I know it's crazy to put such a heavy pizza topping on top of a thin crust, but it's alright by us. This way we can have 2 different flavored pizzas. I use a slow cooking process on the chicken because cooking it very slowly over low heat helps to just break down the chicken and shred it really nicely. Look how tender and still juicy that meat looks. So, I'm going to push this all the way out to the edge. And the reason I'm using parchment paper underneath my dough is I can slide this really easily with a pizza peel or just my hands onto the pizza stone in the oven. So it makes it nice. I was a little afraid to try this at first, but it worked out just fabulous. And that's a little bit. We're going to spread some red onions over the top. They're very thinly sliced, almost paper thin. So that looks pretty good to me. I think we should get this into the oven. This pizza should cook at 425. The oven should be nice and hot. Keep that pizza stone very hot and cook it for around 12 to 15 minutes. It's a crazy shape. I love it. Now, one of my favorite things is making my own marinara sauces. So I whipped up a little one today. Just tomato sauce and basil, garlic and olive oil, and some red wine, mushrooms. Fresh mushrooms. Yum yum. A couple more over here. Let's use them all up. How nice is that? Next, chopped spinach. Washed, dry. Spread it out. I'm going to add the goat cheese. This is approximately 5 ounces of goat cheese. It's at room temperature now. This is going to be delicious. Tomatoes, sliced very thin. in some more mozzarella. This is a fat pizza. It was going to be a skinny pizza. It's a fat pizza now. I'm getting my jogging shoes ready for tomorrow already. There you have it. Pizza number 2 is ready to go in the oven. The second pizza is done. This one took about 2 extra minutes. Oh, look at that. Love that parchment paper. Look at that beauty. Today, we made 2 pizzas. One is a goat cheese pizza with a marinara sauce, fresh mushrooms, fresh spinach, goat cheese, a little bit of extra mozzarella, and thin sliced tomatoes. This pizza is a specially made barbecue chicken pizza with slow cooked barbecue chicken, and I used a little bit of the extra glaze to make a base and added fresh sliced red onions and mozzarella cheese. It's gourmet again. Thanks for tuning into our show, and be sure to check out recipes at www.shireen.com. Go to the home page and click where it says recipes. You can also view my blog at myshireen.blogspot.com. I post recipes and all kinds of crazy rantings and ravings. Thanks again, and have a great day.
Yeah, we're still making stuff up.